Hello guys, I am back. Today we're adding more 20 ways to break a flip phone. The screen is detached right now. I gotta go to the restroom. Hello guys, I am back. Today we're adding more 20 ways to break a flip phone. The screen is detached right now. I gotta go to the restroom. Hello guys, I am back. Today we're adding more 20 ways to break a flip phone. The screen is detached right now. I gotta go to the restroom. Number 20. The most deadly to phones. 20. Number 21. Gaming. Oh, I lost already. Number 19. By a phone? Number 22. Stillwater. What are you doing in water? Oh, you are embarrassing me. Number 23. Cut test. I'm going to use scissors. Whoa! Actually, there's no battery. Number 24. Slide. Wow, it's made out of Nokia. Actually, it didn't survive. Now let's throw it upstairs. Oh gosh. This is my laptop. This is Jevin. And this is my hand. Number 26. Slider phone.
But if you go to SafeLight.com and schedule a fix in minutes. Go to SafeLight.com.
I played the phone.
And you can cancel what you don't want with just Paytax. Take control of your finances with Rocket Money today.
At Public Rec, we develop premium performance fabrics that are built to last.
It's expensive. Not with Tableau.
Number 27.
Learn more at TableauTV.com.
I don't know. This should teach a lesson. Number 28. Pickaxe again. Come back! And you! Can't escape me. There's a battery in it. Please don't try it. Oh, wow. This made me feel good. Number 29. Number. Oh, gosh. Number 30. Washing machine. Tell it that this phone's like. Never mind. You just want to slam dunk yourself. Number 31. Stapler.
access to the museum and the two-day auction. And proceeds from the catalog sales will be given to a worthy cause, handpicked by Jane.
A teacher 16 years ago decided to teach his class how to build solar cars. That's exactly the kind of people.
Number 32. Basic drop again.
Probably 10 signs that
Butt slam. Number 33. Headless wolf. Oh, where's the tape? Oh no! You caused this! Oh gosh! Gotta get rid of you! That was a lesson. Number 34. Screwdriver. Number 45. Speaker. Number 46. Revenge. Ah, you're funny, huh? Number 37. Recharge. Cannot charge.
I'm a great believer in more opportunities always come along with.
Number 38.
which later inspired modern hot rodders to recreate the Elgin look, including me.
Final one. Knife. Yeah. Sorry that you can't look. And number 40. All of the most deadly to phones. But wait. I have one. Wait. It's still on. Time for music. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later. Bye!